Lesson 2: The Moro Problem. The Muslims are one of the most misunderstood groups in the country, if not the most understood. So before the Spaniards arrived, Muslim is the most dominant group practicing monotheism in the Philippines. So monotheism is they believe that there only one God. Mono, in the word mono, one, and theism is God. So before the Spaniards discovered that Muslims were not only dominant in Mindanao, Cotabato, Zamboanga, and the Sulu archipelago, but also in southern Palawan, and also in Tagalog-speaking provinces like Mindoro and Batangas, Manila, and Kapampangan areas in the north. So, during the Crusaders and the Muslim invasion of Liberia Peninsula, Spaniards considered Muslim their enemies and called them Moros. So, dati daw ang mga Muslim, tawag sila na Moros sa Philippines. Muslim Filipinos became the Spaniards' natural enemies during their 333-year occupation of the Philippines. So, Spaniard described Muslim Filipinos as tribute, arrogant, ungrateful, and deceitful. They were also seen as warlike, lacking the rudiments of civilization, regarded as marauders, plunderers, and abductors. So, Spanish military harassments and Moro Wars. The Spanish military harassment, especially during the Moro Wars, caused Muslims to develop suspicion and deep-seated hatred towards the colonizers and those involved in military expedition against them. So this suspicion and hatred persistent, especially sa mga Muslim kay nag-continue. And the origin of problem, how Muslim were seen in the Philippine history. So in the past, when people wrote the history of the Philippines, they often show Muslim is in a bad way. They were also described as being modern, liking violence, mga pirates, and against the Christian religion. Because of this negative view came from confusion caused by naman Spanish, they took over the Philippines. So the Spanish made Muslim look bad so that the people they had just conquered would think poorly of them.
Towards resistant Spanish rule dahil gusto nila panatilihin ang kanilang kalayaan at tutulan, kahit na itinuturing silang kaaway ng mga Kastila para sa kanila, kalaban ito ng kanilang sariling karapatan at teritoryo. Gusto na pamahalaan ng Pilipinas na naging bahagi ang lahat ng buong kultura kasama ang mga Muslim sa buhay ng pampolitika at panlipunan ng bansa. Kaya gumawa sila ng espesyal na komite noong 1954 at kalaunan ay tinatag ang Commission of National Integration or RA 1888 para tulungan ang lahat ng kultura.
So the lesson 2, the Moro problem. Criticism of the commission. However, not all Muslims were happy with the commission's work. A politician named Congressman Ombra Amil Bangsa even criticized the commission for doing things badly and not providing good services. So the Moro problem in the 1960s, by the 1960s, the Moro problem was still a big issue, and the Senate Committee on National Minorities wrote a report in 1963 about the unhappiness in Mindanao. The report said the main reasons for the unhappiness were problem with land, differences in education, not enough job opportunities, issues with healthcare and transportation. So, ang mga Muslim nga natawo atong 1960s kay naay giatubang na problema na dili patas ang pagtrato nila sa ilaha gobyerno. Katong nga problema or issue kay ang katong upat nga nasa Moro problem in the 1960s, problems with land, differences in education, not enough job opportunities, and issues with healthcare and transportation. So the impact of the Moro problem, the issue with the Moro people affected the whole Philippine society and made it hard to bring all Filipinos together as one nation. Main cause, mutual distrust. One of the biggest reasons for this problem was the distrust between Muslim and Christians. Study by the Filipinas Foundation 1971, the study found that the 65% of Muslim in the Philippines believed their Muslim identity was more important than being Filipino. Too many Muslims being Filipino was linked to being Christian or being a Bisaya. They saw this is a form of being a slave which went against the belief of Islam. So, ang moral problem nakaapekto sa Philippine society tungod sa bikil sa mga Katoliko ug Muslim na nahimong rason na walay pagkakaisa. Naay isa ka research atong 1971 na nakahibaw na ang tan-aw sa Filipino kay dapat Katoliko or Christian na sa kadaghan kay mga Bisaya. Unya dili apil ang Muslim, maoy rason ang uban Muslims kay na-feel nila nga na-left out sila nya wala gitagad ilaha values o mga practices. Thank you.